G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make sweet potato microwaved chips. So easy. These potato chips made from sweet potato are so yummy you won't believe it. So let's go, laddie.
Simple cooking, simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Now for this it's really simple. All you need is a plate. You can put some oil on it or not. You can season it. Well, we're not going to eat the plate, so I don't mean put oil on the plate, season the plate and then we'll eat it. But so it can go in the microwave and get a sweet potato. You can peel the skin off or leave it on. Either way, it doesn't matter. And just peel it into whatever size pieces you want. And just put them on the plate. Just pop this in the microwave on high for about 3 minutes. Depends on how strong your microwave is. Could take 4 minutes, may only take 2. So check it after 2. Doesn't have to be really crispy because as it cools, it will crisp up. Oh, look at this, beautiful. See, chips, potato chips, but sweet potato chips, which are really good for you. So healthy, full of potassium, vitamins, yum. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, no. That is so good. Like I said, you can season these if you want. Salt, pepper, whatever. I just have them plain like this because it's just so good. I'll see you next time for my next meal.